When you have followed my channel during the past, say, approximately 5 years or so, you will surely know that I was busy. I planted tobacco leaves here, and I have dried them and fermented them. That was, say, kind of issue, but it succeeded, and now we have kind of pipe tobacco. I've tasted it in a cigarette, etc., etc. I have moved all the leaves to plastic bags and found today, 1 May 2025, that these leaves dried out very good in even such a plastic bag. Had not expected it anyway. In fact, they are too dry, but it's not a problem for the application where I want to use it. In an earlier video today, I've talked about my gardening, parsley, harvesting parsley, etc., etc. Here it is in the food dryer, and like I told, takes approximately 2 hours to dry it to a stage where you can crumble it with your fingers to powder. But that's not the aim of this video. I also had kind of lice or spint, that's the Dutch word, in my garden, especially on the herbs. But the idea is now, let me try to use these leaves, tobacco leaves, and crush them to powder again. And that is now very easy. I have not expected that, but anyway, you can crush it to powder, and then that powder is immersed in water. Could it work to say solve the problem of the mites that I have now in my garden, especially on the herbs, parsley and celery? I really don't know. So it's only an experiment here. Tobacco leaves pulverized in water, and I will have this, say, thing stand for approximately 2 days, 4 days, and I hope to get a lot of stuff, and then I mean nicotine out of the leaves into the water. And I will try to spray my herbs with that substance after approximately 4 days or so. It's more or less a general idea. You can find it on the World Wide Web when you Google it, etc., etc. So, not so much more to tell. Thanks for watching. And here are these tobacco leaves. Very dry. You can easily pulverize them with your fingers. And here again the food dryer with the herbs inside. Thanks for watching.